In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove that Q&A option from your TikTok bio. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up TikTok app and then navigate to your profile, and if you want to remove that Q&A feature from your TikTok bio, you should tap at that three lines at the top right and then select Creator Tool. After that, tap at Q&A, then tap at that three dots icon, and in order to turn off Q&A from your profile, you need to just turn off that feature, which is called Show on Profile. Just turn off that feature, and then we can go back to that profile. As you can see, this Q&A feature is no longer showing here. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial, hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.